I am back again with another ice cream recipe, and this time around I am back with this combo, and trust me, it is mad. Oh my goodness, it tasted very good. Only coconut, you know how it tastes, and when you eat mango, you know how delicious it is. And combining these two, oh my goodness, it was so nice. I decided to share the recipe with you, and trust me, you will also love it because everyone fell in love with this. Now I have with me here my coconut milk. Okay, use any quantity that you want or you want to use, and you are good to go. But I will be leaving the quantity or the measurements of everything that I will be using here on the screen, and trust me, you will fall in love with it. With this recipe, we are not going to use anything dairy. Okay, we are preparing dairy free ice cream. Yes, this is what I personally love. Yes, so we are not going to add any powdered milk, anything milk to the recipe, but we are going to make it such a way that if you are vegan, if you are vegetarian, you will also love it. I have with me here my condensed milk. I know you are going to say, but with the condensed milk, it contains dairy because of the milk that you use for condensed milk. Wait, this is coconut condensed milk, okay, and it does not contain anything like that. So I added that to that, and if you have it, add it according to your taste. If you do not have it, just use any sugar of your choice, okay, but I do not use sugar for my ice creams. Now let's put that aside. I have with me here my mangoes, and we are going to use 12 mangoes in all. Okay, so this is one pack. I am going to add another pack to it. To start with this, you have to wash the mangoes very well before you proceed with the process. So I will wash it very well, and I'll show you the next thing that you are supposed to do. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video? And I'll be very happy if you share to others. Leave me your comment in the comment section. After washing the mangoes, you can go ahead and then peel the skin, but I'm not going to do it that way. Okay, I'm just going to cut it just like how you are seeing on the screen. Use my spoon to remove the mango from the peel. Okay, that is what I'm going to do. I did the first one not knowing the camera wasn't recording, so I'm just going to repeat it again for you to see what I meant earlier. But before I do that, I will just cut everything before we proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do well to follow us for more videos, and trust me, you will love them. If you want short videos like a minute or a minute and 30 seconds, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. We have another channel which we share the recipes using the local dialect, so the name is Recipe Goddess. Follow us there as well, and I will be very grateful if you do that. So after cutting it, you just use your spoon to remove it, as you saw earlier. With the mango seed, I'm not going to discard it. Okay, I'm just going to enjoy that as my fruit for the day. I hope you get it. So with a smaller one as well, just use your spoon to remove it, and you are good to go. I'm going to do it with all the rest of the mangoes till I am done with everything. But this is the one pack that we are done with. The other pack, I'm going to do it behind camera, and when I'm done with everything, I will get back to you. I have already finished preparing everything, and this is how it looks. So when you want to blend your mangoes, you can just add some liquid to it. It can be milk or water. You are good to go, but we are going to blend this without any liquid. Okay, so I will go behind camera blend it, and then I will be back with you. This is the coconut we had earlier. Okay, yes, we are still mixing the coconut condensed milk in it because it was very hard and we needed it to dissolve very well. We are done blending everything. When I was blending it, I used the milk, what I'm showing you, I used the milk to rinse the blender because we bought everything. Now I've added that to the milk. I'll go ahead, mix it very well, and then we proceed. If you've been watching me for a very long time now, you know that I don't joke with my vanilla. Okay, even though I I can use any other flavor, but I always prefer using vanilla. So I'll be adding vanilla in today's recipe. What you saw earlier wasn't the vanilla, it was some of the condensed milk we used earlier. Okay, I've added some to it again. I've already said that you can use it according to your taste or how sweet you want it. Okay, the next ingredient we are going to use is our coconut extract. Okay, that is what I've added to it. So I'll give it a stir before I add my vanilla to it. With the coconut extract, oh my goodness, it smells very good and I love it. Now I'm adding my vanilla. You can see that something is dropping one by one. Okay, like you can see some drops. That is my vanilla I have added to the ice cream. Mix it very well to combine perfectly before we do any other things. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. Have you liked the video? If no, please, what are you waiting for? Like it for me and I'll be very, very happy. I added more of the condensed milk and because it wasn't enough. Okay, so as I said earlier, just use it according to your taste or how sweet you want the thing. I don't want it very sweet because already the mango was well ripe and it tasted very good. I'll continue mixing it and then tasting if it is okay. If it is not okay, I'll be adding more to it. Now we are done with everything and this is how it looks. Just look at how creamy it is. It was very nice. So at this stage you can decide to pour this in your cup or you can decide to tie it in your rubber. I tied it and this is what we have, and I'm just going to put this in my freezer. It depends on the type of freezer you are using. Sometimes some can take like 3 hours, 4 hours and it will cake. Yes, I have one like that and the other one like this one that is here now. Even the next day it was not cake. Maybe I have a lot of things in it, that is why it behaved like that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.